I've never really worked anywhere that's had a training programme as good as TXM. So not only obviously do we have the IOR training, but we've also got Sharina and Tracy who also here to help us.
The company as a whole is I think it's like the foundations of it is support.
They've implemented so much training and development since I've started. Bio was massive.
Yeah, I've had quite a bit of help from people like Sharina, from Tracy, from Ricky.
Obviously in TXM we've got a lot of people that can help you. You've got obviously your managers, Sharina, Tracy, and then also you get given a mentor. Having someone you can speak to all the time is massive.
To have that support from Sharina and Tracy, and also obviously Rob Draper, because he's the mentor. Really good support.
We did like catch up sort of every Friday. Sharina and then our mentor, so my mentor Scott, he come in and that really helped us.
The help I've had in the sort of training sessions has been great from people like Sharina and Tracy. Really enjoyed it, and learning every day.
I've been in recruitment for 4 years and I've never had this kind of training or support from a company before. Really good. It's definitely kind of going the extra mile.